Shamai Ukulaliens. Right, I think it'll be really good fun to have a go of making some videos. And if we start with Three Little Birds, it's a nice easy one to do, okay? So what I'm going to do now, very quickly, is just run through the things you guys need to do to make your video, and then we'll work out how you're going to get them to me. Right, there's 3 things you're going to need. Your ukulele, something to record yourself on. I'm using a video camera, but you can use your phone or a normal camera, or get somebody else's phone to video it on, and your something to read it from. I've got my iPad here, but you could use a computer, as long as you can still record yourself, okay? So iPad or something to read the play along from, because you've got to listen to it as you're playing along to it, so we're all playing the same speed. Ukulele and something to record yourself on. Right, so for us to be able to do this, everybody's got to play at exactly the same time. That's why you've got to play along to the play along video, and you're going to need a way of hearing what's playing on the video, but we don't want to hear that. So you can either plug headphones into your device, whether you're doing it on your computer or on your iPad or on your phone, or earbuds. All right, it's entirely up to you. You can have the big headphone ones on, but the main thing is you can hear the play along, all right, so we can all put it together. So just to give you an idea, look, I've got my iPad there, okay, and so I can see that, but as I said, it doesn't matter if there's a lag between your headphone and the video, as long as you're playing along with what you're hearing, it can all match up for us, okay? So you need something to play the video on, something to record the video with, and your ukulele which is in tune. Can't wait to see what we come up with. Right, so I've got my ukulele, I've got my video ready to play. I know there's a bit of a lag with videos, but that doesn't matter, because as long as you're playing along with the sound on the video, I can then edit it and match it in afterwards, okay? So look, I've got AirPod in one ear, so I can hear what's going on my iPad here. Don't worry, I'm not going to record the whole song now, this is just to give you an idea what to do. So I've got my play along about to start. Tune your ukuleles before you start, okay? It doesn't matter whether you just do down strums or down up, okay? So when you start, so you can't hear the video, I can though. Don't worry about a thing. So keep it simple if you like. Don't every little thing is gonna be alright. And if you don't want to sing, don't worry, just strum and play. About a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds. Okay, get the idea? So it really doesn't matter whether you sing, whether you just strum and play along. The main thing is you're playing in time to the play along video, but we can't hear the play along video, hence why you wear the headphones, okay? If you make mistakes or little things like that, don't worry, because I'll be cutting and editing all the videos and everything as well. And yes, Caris, you can do harmonies, no kazoos, okay? So I'll work out a way now of you, once you've made your video, how you can get it to me, uploading it somewhere, and then we'll have a go from there, okay? And there's going to be a time limit on this, and if this one works out, we can do other songs as well.